Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wanjana Shanif bin Muhammad Sofi and I'm from UiTM Dengkil. I'm currently taking Foundation in Engineering, and for our community service today, I will teach you on how to create an invoice. So first of all, what is invoice? An invoice is a timestamp commercial document that itemizes and records a transaction between a buyer and a seller. If goods or services were purchased on credit, the invoice usually specifies the terms of the deal and provides information on the available methods of payment. So this is basically the meaning of invoice. So before we create an invoice, we need to have the information, all the information and data first. We need to be ready. So here is my data and informations. The scenario that I create is Dania is a student who's currently studying for a diploma in automobile engineering. Since it's the last semester, she has to complete an internship at a car workshop. While working there, she received a task to create an invoice for their customer's order, which has to be emailed to the customer immediately. She has no idea how to accomplish this task by using a spreadsheet, as she never got the opportunity to learn any productivity software before this. As a senior worker, you need to guide her to complete the task based on the following data. So here are the details that I create by myself. So all the details are not real. First thing first, we need to have the company details. The company details include address of your place, of your company place, and then the logo of your company, ways to contact your company, like the phone number and also the email or maybe social medias, any social medias you can put. Secondly, you need to have the invoice details. The invoice detail is the invoice number and the date of the invoice created. And also you need the customer's detail. The customer details is like the name of the customer, the customer's company's name, the company's address. All that things you need to be ready with it. And the last thing you need is the purchasing details. The purchasing detail is all the items that you're going to sell, that you're going to include in the invoice, the list, the quantity, and the price per unit. So let's get started. First, you just open a new tab, and then you go to your Google, and then you go on the top right. There's like 3x3 square, and then you scroll down until you find sheets with green logo. You just press sheets. So you can see here there's a lot of templates here, and if you cannot find your invoice template here, you can just press here at template gallery, and then you scroll down until you find, yes, here, work category. At the work category, there will be the template of the invoice. So you just press the template. This will help you so much. It will make your work a lot easier. As you can see, everything is here. Everything is already there. You only have to transfer your data. You have to change to your own data. So first thing, change the company name to your company name. So our company name is Palace Garage. Just type here, Palace Garage. And also you don't have to worry, because you can change to your own size, your own color. The text color, maybe you don't want it to be this color, you can change it to green. Wait, you can change it to green or anything, any color you like. Okay, so under the name of the company, you need to put the address. So right here is Jalan Putra Indah 9/1. Just transfer everything. Maybe you can copy or paste, or you can just type it back. Jalan Putra Indah 9/1. Don't forget to put the comma. Go down here and put the remaining of your address. Let's copy this time. So as you can see, we need one more row to complete our address, as we have the long address. So you can just go to insert, just press row below if you want to add more row below, or if you want to put another row on top, you just press row above. That's an easy. So you just put the remaining of the address, which is Subang Jaya, Selangor. Sorry, Subang Jaya, Selangor. So we have completed our address right now. So we continue to the our company's detail, which is ways they can contact us, which is we can put here our phone number. Our phone number here. Copy and paste. And also we have another information, which is email. So what we can do, just insert another row below. You can add your email here. Copy palacegarage@gmail.com. There you go. As you can see, it's have the same color and same font. So if you want to make it different, maybe you can just bold it. Yeah. There you go. So next, you want to put our logo in our company logo inside the invoice. Maybe we can put it maybe under here or maybe here. So how can we insert image in our invoice? First, we copy our image. So using the Google Sheets, when you go to insert, you can see right here, there's image option, either image in cell or image over cells. If you choose image in cell, when you choose image in cell, there will be 6 options, which is upload, camera, by URL, photos, Google Drive, or Google image search. So if you have the picture already in your computer, you have downloaded the picture, you can just upload or browse it here. You can drag the file to here, or maybe if you don't have the picture, you can just go to the camera. You can use your own camera, yeah, or maybe by URL, you have copied the URL of the image from Google Image or anywhere, you can just paste it here. Or you can go photos. Photos is like the photos in your account, if you have the photos in your account. And also Google Drive, you can choose the pictures from Google Drive. And also from Google image search, you can search for the images in Google. I will try, yeah. Palace logo. See, you can get the picture. So I want to choose this one as my company's logo. So if you choose image in the cell, it will be like this, and it will be hard for you to drag it everywhere, to change the size. So I prefer, and I suggest you, if you want to insert the image, you choose image over cells, so you can drag the picture everywhere you want. Palace logo, here you go, insert. See, it will be easier for us to change the size, everything, to drag it everywhere you want it to be. It's much easier. Let's make it smaller. Okay, so we are done with the logo. So It's very easy. So let's continue. Like right here you can see there's already invoice here. It's from the template and submitted on. We change to our own date, which is 10th of October 2020. No, we just change it here. 10th October 2020. Okay. So we move to, now we move to the details of the customer. So the template already put here name, company name, street address, payable to, project name, invoice number, and due date. So for the invoice file, we put our customer name right here. We can just copy it. The company name, the customer's company name, Hot Wheels and Remmerhat. Just paste it back so it'll be much easier. Yeah, and then the address of your customer's company, the address, Jalan Utas, and put the remaining of the email, of the address, sorry. Just copy and paste. So like we have the long address, so we just insert one more row below. Wait for a while, insert row below, and just put the remaining of the address, which is Shah Alam Selangor. Shah Alam Selangor. Okay, now payable to, maybe you can put just payable to, you can just put the same person. You can just put this same person, or maybe someone else. Just use your own data. And the invoice with hashtag is actually the invoice number. Put your own invoice number that we have just now is 020907. This one, invoice number. There you go. And the project name, you can put anything. I want to put new stocks. And the due date, you can choose any date that you want to ask the customer to pay. When is the due date? I'll choose 2nd November. Okay, so we are done with the customer's detail. We move to the description. We move to the listing of the items that we're going to sell. First, you put the first item, which is alloy rims. And QTY stands for quantity. You put the quantity. Quantity is 20 and the price per unit is 2,500. You put here 20 and unit price 2,500. Okay. And they will calculate the total price here automatically. You don't worry. If you use the template, it will be counted automatically. For the second item you're going to sell is steering wheel. Put here steering wheel. The quantity and price 25 and 450 ringgit per unit. Hmm, 450 ringgit. There you go. As you can see, the total price will be counted automatically. And then we put the third item, which is the brake pad caliper. And the quantity is 5 and the price is 6,000. Brake pad, oops, sorry. Quantity is 5 and the price is 6,000. And then, as you notice, all here is in United States dollar, USD, but we need to change it to Malaysian ringgit as our data is in ringgit Malaysia. So how are we going to change it from USD to MYR? You just select all with this. You go to format, you go to number. See, we have Malaysian ringgit here, and if you want to add on the currency, you can just choose more formats and you can choose more currency. You can choose any currency you want. We have Malaysian ringgit, US dollar, Afghani, everything is here. You just choose. So for now we will choose Malaysian ringgit because it's stated Malaysian ringgit in our data. So we choose RM, apply. So everything will be ringgit Malaysia. So as you can see right here, we have subtotal and also adjustment. Adjustment is maybe discount. You can type here. If you want to you want to give the customer some discount, just put how many ringgit you want. I'll give 2,000 ringgit discount. So these numbers with pink color is the final and total price that your customer needs to pay. So we have done our invoice. It's very easy to use the template. I suggest you all to use Google Sheets and use the template given to create your own invoice as it will help you to save your time, and this is much easier than you will do it without the template. If you press here, see all the format here, everything has been given, everything has been ready. You just type, it will count for you everything. So that's all for this video. Thank you.